Hello, my name is Henri, and on this video we are going to talk about some investing. So on October 14th I made some predictions regarding the financial week from October 15 to October 19, 2018. And on this video we're going to check how did we do regarding those investments. So the investments what we were analyzing were S&P 500 futures, Bitcoin futures, crude oil, gold, euro dollar and euro US dollar. So let's check out how did we do, and let's look at those major topics that move the markets. Welcome aboard. Okay, at first I would like to mention you that this is not investment advice. Always when you're making your decisions, I encourage you to take responsibility of your own decisions. That's the way you'll become a better investor in time. And on this video we are going to look at the in general what happened, and that's what we're going to look at next. Okay, regarding this week, October 15 to October 19, 2018, there was Bavarian elections, and every time when elections are happening, there might be fear or hope in the market before those elections, because people fear the results. So usually when there are these elections, usually before the event there's a lot of fear. If there's a lot of fear in the market goes down. If there's a lot of hope in the market goes up. And usually when the results are declared, it means that the market usually goes the another direction. If there's like elections and there's people hope that there's a change happening, change of results, another party in power, well, it usually means that if there's a fear that the new party would come in power, there could be fear in the market. But when this party is declared to be a winner of these elections, it really means that the market goes another direction, because it settles the market. The dust settles in the market. Okay, now it's clear. Now it's clear where we're going to go. And this first speech usually it calms down people. So that is why usually politicians pay very close attention to this first speech, because it should settle people and it should calm down people so that people can trust and know better where the market should be going and where the party should be going in the future. So that's about politics. Another focus of this week, the topic was an earnings week, quarterly earnings, and many big companies told about their earnings this week. So it was funny to watch this week. I expected to be a choppy week, partly because there was earnings week, and when big companies are usually reporting their earnings, it means that market may go up if every big company is selling good results. But it was expected to be a choppy week, because when there was a good earnings on some company, there was a bad earnings report on another company, so it was very, very choppy week. Okay, let's look at how choppy this week really was. S&P 500, I predicted early week rise to 2,800. We got there, that was correct prediction. It was actually 2,825, so we got quite good rise in the early week. Then I predicted that we should get a drop from $2,744. We did go to 2,045 early, and later we got 2,756. So this was what the choppy week was about. It was sideways movement. A lot of sideways movement, and what I'm talking about early on other videos about this sideways movement, it's very hard to predict. So this was a professional's week, and if you're, let's say, a good day trader, you use Bollinger Bands on another these indicators, MACD or whatever, this might be your week. But for a normal investor who usually wants clear direction, is the market going up? Is the market going down? It was neither of those. It got both ways. So this was a kind of a pro week this week. Okay, then I predicted that Bitcoin futures would go up to 6,800. It got there and it got even higher. And then I predicted that this choppy week, the next direction for the Bitcoin futures would be 6,200. It was 6,510. So we got not that close, but we hope. But third predictions of Bitcoin futures was that later week we would go up to 6,600. We got there, but not on Friday, on Saturday morning. And this tells another thing. Well, how would you look at the week? Is it ending on New York time? Is it ending on like I'm in Finland, Finnish time? Or is it ending in, let's say, in the United States, if you're living in Los Angeles time? Well, it depends. So be very careful on what time zone you are. So because these predictions are made on New York time. Okay, then crude oil. I predicted that crude oil would go 72.5. We got very close. We got 5 cents from that prediction. It got 72.45. So very close. On gold, I made a prediction that early week would go down and then the later week it would go up. It was correct, both of those. Then euro dollar was more difficult. I predicted that it would go up to 1.167. It actually quite minimal, 1.1624. So we didn't get a lot from there. US dollar, early week, I predicted it would rise up like the S&P 500. It didn't, so there I got it wrong. But the later week dropped to $94.06 was correct. Okay, I hope you remember on this video that when it comes to predictions can be made. It usually requires some skill and practice and usually some time and enthusiasm if you want to learn it. But like this week, people are asking, okay, is the market going up or is it going down? Some weeks it goes up and down and up and down. This was that kind of a week. So kind of a professional's week. But you will get an easier week probably in the future. I'm 100% sure about it. But this is usually the weekly analysis that you will get some choppy movements and sideways movements as well. Okay, hope you learned something new from this video. I hope you like this video. If you want to contact me, you can find me on Rosmerta Oy Facebook page, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Google+, and opilakia.fi is another chance to contact me. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Do you feel the same?